Right, little job today. So all I'm going to do is fixing the ceiling. There's been a leak. Here's a bit of plasterboard I've taken down. Yeah, look at it. But it's in a food preparation area at the Raise the Roof charity shop. So I've just took the board down. I'm just confirming that there is no actual leaks. It all looks okay. So I'll get it reboarded and skim over it. These timbers look like a bit iffy. But it's mainly solid, but yeah, as long as there's no water coming from there, we're alright. Yeah, cool. Right, see you on the other side. Right, the board's up, first coat of plaster's on. Looks rough as a rough thing, but by the time it's done, it'll be alright. So yeah, we'll give that 20 minutes and then give it another coat. Always tidy your edges. Get the thick off. Give it another bit of a clean. It's getting there. Much better than it was anyway. But here we go then. So I sponged all the edges. That's better than it was anyway. But
why have you know you've been here in a minute?
yeah, that was all sagging. I didn't put them screws in. Right. But so this had to be filled out to bring it level. But yeah, that had to be done because it's a food prep area. So it had to be sorted because that bit of board which you saw was all mouldy and stuff. But yeah, jobs are good then. Jobs are good, Nick. It's Shane. I was going to call you Craig then for some reason. Yeah.
Better job than what it was.
Yeah. No oil painting, but it'll do the job. There's plenty of other things need doing in this place really. But anyway, that's me done. That's me signing off.